if you're new here, my name is Anna. I am almost 20. When you see this video, I will be 20 in a few days. So I have the honor for me to have a party with me. I'm accepted in all four of my men, and I use a water. So because of that, I need a lot of mobility help. This is my dog, Winnie. Who I'm here to be eating
some crumbs.
With me, I need a lot of mobility. So I am lucky enough to live in my own apartment in a way. I tell my parents' house. That is my parents' back now. And this is my apartment that I bought. So I got a video with a couple weeks ago from a bird named Kennedy on Instagram who wanted to know how and what I recommend who are living as independently as possible. So today I'm going to show you what adaptations we have made. Keep in mind that we moved here about a year ago, so some things are not adapted yet, but I wanted to show you and talk about a couple of the adaptations that I have made. So come on in. So the first adaptation is the wide doorway and the door handle. Mom, do you want to put it? The door handle, or I don't know what you call them.
Like levers,
Door
instead of knobs.
Yeah, door handle level or easier because you can put down and the door will open. The second modification that I will be doing a video on is hot-loading washing machine. Now, I don't do my own laundry, but if I did, you can use a water bag that I have here to carry, transport all your laundry. Easily pop the door open, turn your water hot water, and load your water into. So I will be doing a video on that, but that's another adaptation you can have in your home, so you don't have to pull up, what are those things called?
Front load, on top.
Yeah.
Just a top loader, right? This is a front loader.
So that way you don't have to basically haul in doing your laundry.
Don't fall into the laundry.
So another adaptation that I have, or that I never use, but I have is low countertop that are more under, which means that wheelchairs can roll directly underneath without anything under them. Right now I am here to have a laundry basket, but they are more on the countertop, so I can go directly under. The next thing is my generator. So I got a couple videos on this, but I'm going to go over this in this video too. Somebody asked me what accommodations I do for my refrigerator. I put everything down what I have in the past. I probably need to get back to it. I put down on the lowest house, so this house and this house, and the material indoor door house. I put things that I want to eat, or that I want to drink, in case I'm ever home alone. I can warm up after you can see the refrigerator and grab it out of the house, load it into my walk the bed and be on my way. With the adaptation I have, this is my living room. And there you can see I don't have any no it's wide open. That's how I don't trip over anything or fall on top of anything or with my water being too heavy and rolling over things. So we have a matter on wheel, my deck in there, my deck here. Yeah, that's only 2 things on wheel in here. How I can easily move it out of my way when I need to move somewhere and having in my way. How always you easy to move and easy to get out of your way to avoid tripping, falling, and breaking something. And I also keep my necessities on my desk so I can easily reach them. The next adaptation that I have is my doorway. I easy to admit to. But the next room that I have no adaptation in my bedroom really. However, in my bathroom, you want to come in here and turn. In my bathroom, I have the middle one thing that my dad has built me to basically put my water wheel into whenever I am going to the bathroom on my own. Because if you might, hi Winnie, are you holding them where you think? Oh, that's so cute. I might have to use the thumbnail. But these are basically wheel holders. Because if you guys are familiar with mowing the bathroom on your own and you are in a walker, you probably know that the walker basically topples you because as soon as you sit down, the walker wheel directly on top of you. So these are meant to top the wheel from going anywhere when trying to put down your thing. Also, I have a guardrail here to help me stabilize.
Pocket doors too help.
Well, I can't live in pocket.
No, but I mean, to get out of the way.
When talking about my thing, on the side of the wall, I have a guardrail to help me stabilize and prevent fall. I just got that Home Depot, so I can hold on there and see I feel like I'm falling. The next adaptation in the bathroom is a little more on the pink wheelchair. One walker, even though it doesn't really work with walkers. How about all the adaptations I have for right now in my home? I hope this helps you learn how I can live independently. As much as I can, I still require a lot of help. However, these adaptations really do help assist me so I feel complete, so I feel as safe as possible when I'm home alone on the ground, or just want to try new things independently. So I hope this video helped. If it did, you know what to do. Hit that like button, subscribe if you're new here, and please make a comment with more videos we have. And thank you for watching my adaptive appointment to. I'll see you next time. Bye.